Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine. So friends, our second video of ratio and proportion has come. So friends, in this video I am going to discuss increase and decrease in a ratio. So friends, let's get started. So friends, our first question is, when the fare of a certain journey by an airliner was increased in the ratio 5:7, the cost of the ticket for the journey became rupees 1421. Find the increase in the fare. So friends, here we are provided the ratio of the original fare and the increased fare. So now cross multiply it. So we are provided with increased fare as 1421. So 5 into 1421 is equals to 7 into original fare. So 7 goes this side. Original fare is equals to, if 7 goes this side, then 5 into 1421 by 7. So 7 to the 14, then 0, 7 3 is 21. Original fare is equals to 5 3 is 15. Carry 1, 5 2 is 10. So our original fare is 1015. So we should find the increase in the fare. So increase in the fare is equals to, we should subtract 1015 original fare from increased fare. So our increased fare is 1421 and our original fare is 1015. So if you subtract, you will get the answer as 406 rupees. So friends, our first question is solved. We got the answer as 406. So friends, let's move on to the second question. So friends, our second question is, in a regiment, the ratio of number of officers to the number of soldiers was 3:31 before the battle. In the battle, 6 officers and 22 soldiers were killed. The ratio becomes 1:13. Find the number of officers and soldiers in the regiment before the battle. So, before the battle, let the number of officers be 3x, because here is 3, so we kept x, so 3x, and the number of officers be 31x. So after the battle, the number of officers is equals to 6 officers were killed. So 3x minus 6 and number of soldiers so friends this is soldiers. This is equals to 31x. 22 soldiers was killed, so minus 22. So now we are provided with the ratio after the battle. So 3x minus 6, 31x minus 22 is equals to 1 ratio 13. So cross multiply it. If you cross multiply it, so 13, 3x minus 6 and 31x minus 22. Because 1 is there, so 1 you multiply 1 with any number, answer will be the same. So 13 3s are 39x minus 13 6 are 78 is equals to 31x minus 22. So take 31 that side. So 39x minus 31x and 78 that side. Minus 22 plus 78. So you will get 8x is equals to, if you subtract it, you will get the answer 6, 56. So x is equals to 56 by 8. 8 7s are. So friends, we got the x value as 7. So now the soldiers before the battle were, the officers before the battle were 3x and the soldiers were 31x. So substitute the value of x, 3 into 7, 3 7 is 21 and 31 into 7. 7 1 is 7, so 3 is 21. So friends, we got the answer. 21 officers were before the battle and 217 soldiers were before the battle. So friends, let's move on to the third question. So friends, our third question is, if A by B plus C is equals to B by C plus A is equals to C by A plus B and A plus B plus C is equals to 0. So show that each given ratio is equal to minus 1. So A plus B plus C is equals to 0. So B plus C is equals to minus A and A plus C is equals to minus B and B plus A is equals to minus C. So apply. So A by B plus C is equals to B by C plus A is equals to C by A plus B. So B plus C is equals to minus A. So A by minus A cancel is equals to A plus C, C plus A is equals to minus B. So minus B cancel and C by A plus B is equals to minus C. So C gets cancelled. So you will get the answer 1 by minus 1 is equals to 1 by minus 1 is equals to 1 by minus 1. So if you take minus up, so you will get minus 1 is equals to minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So therefore, hence proved. So friends, our third question also completed. So friends, if you did not watch our previous ratio and proportion video, I will provide you the link in the description box. You can go and watch there. So thank you friends. If you like our video, please like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.